Hi everyone. If you're watching this video, you're probably working on adding a visitor analytics tracking code to an HTML website. This video will help with that process. Let's have a look at the website that we want to monitor. This is just a test website we made using HTML directly. We used no website builder or CMS, like WordPress or Weebly or anything similar. If you're installing visitor analytics on a website built using such a platform, you might want to see our support page for integrating with other platforms. You can see we have sections about how to install for the most popular website builders. For each of these, the integration process can be a little different. Back to our site. We are using cPanel to manage the website files. You might be using another service, or maybe you upload your website files directly through FTP. In any case, make sure your hosting provider has granted you access to this area. I want to edit my index file, which corresponds to my home page. After I click Edit, I need to look for the head section and paste the code in that section. You can add it anywhere, but in order not to break anything, it's safer to paste it either right at the beginning of the head section or right at the end. I'm going to add it at the end. Save your edited page, and visits to it will be tracked. For some HTML websites that use HTML templates, this may be enough to track all of your pages. In other cases, when the head section is not automatically updated for all of your pages, you will need to paste the code into all the pages you want to track, one by one. So I just repeat the same process for the About page you just saw. After that, I am done and ready to get all the visitor stats to these pages. If you still have trouble with correctly adding your tracking code, just write us a message using the chat bubble, and we would be happy to help.